Hello YouTube. In this episode, we will show you an updated version of how to control an Android from a Mac. This time we will use a GUI for strcpy program. There are some GUIs for it, but last time I checked, only this app you'll see soon which is working good on M1 Mac. Let's check it out. Using this app, you can set many options easily. In the first launch, you may have Chinese version by default. You can switch the language to English using the language switch located at the bottom of the first setting page. Here I use Google Android emulator for testing. If you want to use a real device, you can connect it either by USB cable or wireless. This app also provides a convenient way to connect to your device wirelessly. After the connection, you can close the main window. You also get the device audio when mirroring, so you can play any multimedia or YouTube, for example. So here is the address where you can download this awesome application. Go to https://tomodos.com/strcpy-g/ and click download. You will be directed to the GitHub project page. In the time this tutorial is made, the latest Mac version is 1.5.0, while the latest version is 1.5.1, so you need to scroll down to find the correct file to download. When you're done mirroring, you can close the mirror screen as usual. Thanks for watching and see you next time.